Hey, alright, check it out. My name is Ricardo Figueroa. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing in a simple way that anybody can do it. And it's also very cheap to do this way of making money online with affiliate marketing. Remember, my channel is all about affiliate marketing. I have plenty of good videos inside my channel. Go and check them out after you're done watching this. And for those who are newbies looking for affiliate marketing basically is a way to make money online without dealing with inventory, dealing with customer service, merchant accounts, and all that crazy stuff. The most important thing you need in affiliate marketing is having a good offer, in which I'm going to show you the process right now. You need traffic. I'm going to show you that. You also need some keywords because we are going to use Google in this example. And also you could use paid traffic. I'm not going to cover too much about AdWords or paid traffic today, but at least the basics so you can go and make some money just sharing content for free and getting a few things done. So let's start. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is and everything was explained, I'm here in OfferBolt. In OfferBolt, it's a website that you can find plenty of different offers. You can find offers with like pay-per-call, like you see here, pay-per-call, mobile downloads, and so on. And also you can sign up for different affiliate networks. So let me do a quick walkthrough. So this is the offer name right here, the payout, how much you're gonna pay. You're gonna get paid every time someone buy, download, or depending on the offer, do for you, and that cost per action, and that's how you get paid. This is the type of offer. In this example, this is the one that I'm gonna use for the entire video. It's a simple toolbar, and the category is for desktop, of course. Is display is under the download category. Just in case you do a search, that's how you're gonna search for this type of offer. This is the network. So if you want to promote this offer, you have to go to this network and sign up. You gotta get accepted, and that's it. The best part of this offer is that it's a free download. There's nothing to buy here. So you could give this toolbar as many times as you can, and every time someone download that toolbar completely free, you get paid $1.60. And I'm gonna walk you through the entire process of how you can make money with this. The first thing you should do is apply for the traffic network. Once you get accepted, you're gonna apply to promote this offer. And I'm sure you know a lot of students and your friends and family. So those are the first people that you should go and also let them know, hey, I found this great toolbar that converts any Word document into a PDF and so on. Not everybody knows how to do that. Some people struggle doing that. So that's why, and plus it's a free download. So have all your friends download the app and make some quick money. So, but if you want to get traffic in the long run, once you follow this example, you could be like profitable from now on, like for many time. The way I'm gonna do this, I'm going after I apply for this and get approved for this offer, I'm going to create a website. For the website, the things that you need right here will be, like I said, the offer. You need the toolbar, offer. You need also access to the affiliate network. And there are all the things that you need right here. This is not the one. You need hosting. I recommend Beyond Hosting. There's a link below this video for that, and that's my affiliate link. You need a domain. In this example, I recommend Namecheap because it's a lot easier to use and connect your WordPress and so on, because you need WordPress. I forgot to put that down here. So WordPress. And I think that's it. The traffic, you could just use SEO. I'm gonna recommend you a course if you want to look for that. If you want to do it, but if you want to do just free traffic, just share, like I said, with friends on Facebook and so on. So how am I going to connect everything together? After I buy the domain, I get the hosting, I install WordPress, I do some SEO inside the WordPress, right? This is the WordPress platform, which is inside of my domain that I'm building right now, RickyFigueroa.com. That's me. That's my nickname, my last name. Once you get that squared away, you go to different menus that are inside of this website right here, and you do some SEO. Basically, you're going to go under the settings, and you are going to add what the website is about. So add keywords. In this example, this website is all about and only about converting documents to PDF. Simple as that. So you should use a lot of keywords related to document to PDF. And how are you gonna find those keywords? Simple as that. You go into Google Ads. The old name was Google AdWords. So you go here, and then you go to these tools and settings right here. Look for keyword planner. Type the word, and Google is going to give you all the answers. You don't have to do crazy stuff for this. So you type the word, and Google is going to give you the average monthly searches. So believe me, a lot of people are searching for these keywords specifically. Look, doc to PDF, 14,000 people in the United States are looking for this word, searching in Google, typing, looking for help for something that helps them convert that document to PDF. So there's plenty of opportunity here. So 14,800, and you can see it's a low competition. So this one is easy to rank if you create content inside your website and you do some SEO inside your website to rank for these keywords. And this is not the only one. Look how many more keywords are people just looking for a PDF converter, like doc to PDF converter, PDF to doc converter, converter PDF to Word document, and so on. 4,000 searches a month. Here, when it comes to price, when it comes to keyword price per click, don't worry about it, because if you're using free traffic, you don't have to worry about this. Now, if you're running paid traffic, you are going to make for each download, you're gonna make $1.60. But if you pay 97 cents, you're not gonna make that much, but it's something. But the way you can work around this, especially this one for $1, just don't use this one. Try to create content based or around the cheapest one. So you could just change this to and look for the cheapest one, which is like 10 cents. Rich text document PDF. You could rank for these keywords instead of the other ones, the ones that are cheap. That way, if you're running paid traffic, remember, each click is gonna cost you 21, but every time you get a sale, it's 160. So you're profiting almost $1.39 or 49 cents, if I'm not mistaken. So, but if you do traffic, you don't have to worry now about this. All you have to do is just create content based on these keywords right here. So now that you have almost the entire process complete, and before I finish going through a few more steps, there's a link below that of a training that it just shows you the entire process of how to do this step by step. Plus we have coaching. Plus we have a lot of support how to do this simple site big profits. You will see the link below, so just go there and check it out. But now let's go back to what we have right here. Remember, the process is almost done. You found an offer. You're gonna use a landing page in which is gonna be, instead of ClickFunnels or something, I recommend you build a niche, a website around your niche. That way, it's gonna stay in Google forever. And the goal here is to make this website work for you 24/7. Once you create and you put the effort to do this, this website is going to work for you 24/7. That's why I recommend you do WordPress. You do some SEO. just following these simple steps right here. I'm also going to put these notes under the video with different links so you could download this file right here. So I think that's it for now. This is a simple video. Remember, you need an offer, you need a website, you need to link everything together like a hosting, domain, and the WordPress. Install WordPress inside of that domain, and then start adding content, and then send the traffic. It's up to you if you want to use the free traffic or paid traffic. If you use paid traffic, you need to run some Google ads or Bing ads and so on. So if you like this video, like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, let me know. What would you like to learn? I know a lot about affiliate marketing. I will try to stay active on creating new videos showing how-tos about affiliate marketing. But don't forget, check it out. There's the course to get this done and make thousands of dollars. I can't promise you if you're going to make money because I don't know your work ethic. Maybe you're not like mine. And I hustle every day to make some money with affiliate marketing. But go to the link below and check it out. I'm going to show you what the training is about. Remember, we have support. We have everything you need. So that's it for now. God bless. God bless you and have a great day.